Yeah, g'day. I struggled to find a decent information on making a tank stand for me coaster. And I watched this thing on the YouTube, a couple of young people doing one called Rolling on Rubber or something like that. And that wasn't for me. So anyway, I'll give you a quick rundown on what I've done in case it might help other people. So, 5mm by, 15mm bar, flat bar. I bent it up in a bar bender, but you could do just the same with a vise and a bit of heat. Okay, so we've got 4 of them. Made a bit of tank. And we've got a bit of 3mm, 100mm deep, and I've made it width of the tank plus 30mm each side. And some 5mm 30x30 angle. So we round this corner here, you round that off so it fits in there nice. And then you weld it up both sides, either end. Weld everything both sides or it'll crack and break, I reckon. And then here, got some more of the bar, 5mm with 15mm bar. That cost about $10 a 4 metre length, I think. Tank was at 120 for 2 of them. You know, it was about $80 in steel, but I've got a bit extra. So they don't cost much. So yeah, so then when you weld it in, you weld these all in line, obviously, with the ribs in the tank. Now, that's been made, I think it's $6.75, you have to check for yourself, but that fits inside a coaster's cross rails. So you can slide it up, you've got 100mm of adjustment, obviously you can take that up all the way up, because that's your tank height. But you know, you can work all that out for yourself. I fitted one, and they work grouse. So anyway, that goes on there. I don't know if you can see that. Yep. That goes on there. They're all in line. Then we've got these. I haven't cut these ends off. You always leave them a bit long until you've fitted it. Make sure you fit the tank bare, because rubber will go on here, but you fit it bare. And then that'll take up the slack. You don't make these too tight, obviously. I made these inside measurement the same as this here, less a couple of mil, just a frag less. You know, you make them a little bit tight, a little bit loose, whatever. So anyway, that's what you do. And then you'll find your spot, centre it all up, and drill these holes here. Then cut them all off with a grinder. And after that, I've got some of this gear here. You can see that from Rare Spares, Rubber Supplies. Anyway, I've already done one of these, so I know it works. I'm not going to do it all in front of you now. So you need that. You round all this up with your polishing disc, and then your silicone spray, and away you go, mate. That flat edge there to the tank side, and when that's smoothed off, that goes on grouse. Anyway, so there's that. I'll put it together and give you another look. But yeah, basically that those 100mm plates, they just slide up inside the rails, and then you use probably 3 a side, either series 500s or these nice chunky ones they make sheds with. Normal screws won't touch it. Use the series 500s, they're the go. But normal screws won't even look at it. You'll use like 10 of them trying to get it through, because it's a tensile steel or something, the chassis. So they go through the 100mm plate into the rail. You slide her up, screw it on, and put it all together. I'll give you a look when it's done. Take it easy.